Samsung is gearing up for something exciting with the upcoming Galaxy S25 lineup. Among the rumored models, there's one that's caught a lot of attention: the Galaxy S25 Slim. While this version was initially dismissed by many, new evidence has started to surface, pointing to its existence. Recently, a device with the model number SMS937U appeared in the IMEI database, and experts believe this could be the Galaxy S25 Slim. This discovery suggests that the Slim might not just be a rumor, but a real device Samsung is preparing to launch. The Galaxy S25 Slim is thought to be a higher-end variant of the Galaxy S25 Plus, offering a more compact and sleek design. This makes it an interesting option for users who want a flagship phone with powerful features but prefer something smaller than the Ultra model. What makes this device even more intriguing is that renowned tipster Ice Universe has confirmed its existence. According to Ice Universe, the S25 Slim will come with an Ultra camera, which adds a lot of excitement for those who care about smartphone photography. The camera setup on the Galaxy S25 Slim is one of the most talked about features. While it's not expected to carry the full camera system of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, it will still pack a serious punch. The S25 Slim is rumored to include the 200MP primary camera from the S25 Ultra, which is a huge leap for a mid-tier model. However, unlike the Ultra, it won't have all the other high-end cameras. The S25 Ultra is speculated to feature a 200MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide camera, a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and even a 50MP super telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. On the other hand, the Galaxy S25 Slim is expected to retain the 12MP ultra-wide camera and the 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, which are similar to the ones found on the Galaxy S25 Plus. This combination of a powerful 200MP primary camera with a more affordable set of secondary lenses means that the S25 Slim could offer an impressive photography experience, but at a lower price point than the Ultra. One thing to note is that all models in the Galaxy S25 lineup, including the Slim, are expected to come with a 12MP selfie camera. This ensures that users will still get a high-quality front-facing camera, no matter which model they choose. The Galaxy S25 Slim combines the sleek design of a more compact device with the powerful 200MP main camera, making it a standout in the S25 lineup. This phone offers an excellent balance between high-end performance and affordability. For many users, the S25 Slim could be the perfect mid-tier alternative to the more expensive Galaxy S25 Ultra. While the Ultra model is packed with top-tier features, not everyone needs the full range of its advanced camera setup or its larger size. The S25 Slim is designed for those who want high-quality photography without the added cost of the Ultra's full feature set. This makes the S25 Slim especially appealing to users who want flagship-level camera performance but prefer a more compact, affordable option. Whether you're someone who loves capturing stunning photos or simply looking for a phone that offers great value for money, the S25 Slim could be a perfect fit. It's the kind of device that will attract users who care about camera quality but don't necessarily need the extra features of the Ultra version, offering a sweet spot in the Galaxy S25 lineup. The Galaxy S25 Slim is shaping up to be an exciting addition to Samsung's flagship lineup. With its combination of a powerful 200MP camera and a more compact design, it offers an intriguing option for those who want high-quality photography in a smaller, more affordable package. It's perfect for users who prioritize camera performance but don't need all the extra features that come with the Ultra model. By offering this mid-tier alternative, Samsung is making it easier for more people to experience flagship-level photography without breaking the bank. As we await its official release, it's clear that the Galaxy S25 Slim is going to be a phone to watch. It could be the perfect fit for many users looking for a balance between performance, design, and price. So, what do you think about the upcoming Galaxy S25 Slim? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. As always, I'll see you in my next video.